Hello everyone, let's learn some color. Blue color, yellow color, red color, orange color, green color, brown color, black color. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for grapes. H. H for hen. I for ice cream. J. J for jellyfish. K. K for kangaroo. L. L for lion. M. M for mango. N. N for nest. O. O for octopus. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for snake. T. T for table. U. U for uniform. V. V for van. W. W for water. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Blue color, green color, red color, brown color, orange color, yellow color, black color. Let's learn some shape. Square. Cone. Rectangle. Oval. Triangle. Cylinder. Pentagon. Circle. Semicircle. Cross. Arrow. Square. Cone. Rectangle. Oval. triangle, cylinder, pentagon, circle, semicircle, cross, arrow,